there, my friends. Bouncy is back. This time, I have an adventure for you, where we will solve the problem of garbage disposal through recycling. Ready? Let's go! Kashyap and Tamara are spending a lovely summer morning at their grandparents' farm. They have decided to help out at the farm and have fun while they are at it.
Tamara, let us look around for problems we can help with. We have been learning some techniques to solve problems at school, and I want to use them. Hi, Grandpa. What are you looking at?
Hello kids, I am trying to figure out what to do with all these plastic bottles. They have been piling up over the last few months and I have to get rid of them, but I don't know what to do with them.
Kashyap, sounds like we will need your problem-solving techniques to solve this one. You are right, Tamara. Let's get started. Before we try and solve the plastic bottle problem, let me tell you the 7 steps of problem solving. 1. Identify the problem. 2. Analyze the problem. 3. Think of possible solutions. 4. Choose the best solution. 5. Make a plan. 6. Carry out the plan. 7. Evaluate if the plan worked. Now, let us use these steps to solve this problem. So, our first step is to identify the problem. Yes, the problem is that Grandpa has too many plastic bottles and has to find a way to get rid of them. The next step here is to analyze the problem.
I need to dispose the plastic bottles in a way that will not cost me any money or require too much effort.
The third step is to think of possible solutions to the problem. How about throwing the bottles in the garbage can? We could burn all the bottles, or even better, throw them in the lake. Wait a minute, Kashyap. I recently read about something called recycling. It means utilizing things that would otherwise be thrown away or wasted. Our next step is to choose the best solution. Plastic is harmful to the environment, so throwing it in the garbage or in the lake is a bad idea. And burning the bottles would cause air pollution, so that's out too. Reusing the plastic bottles would ensure that it is not wasted. It will also not harm the environment. You are right, Tamara. So the best solution here is to recycle. Our fifth step is to make a plan. First, we collect all the plastic bottles together in a crate. We can reuse some of the bottles and use them for something on the farm, like filling in some mud, getting some seeds, and growing a few small plants. Good idea! The rest we can hand over to the recycling plant. Our next step is to execute the plan. What are we waiting for? Let's get started on the bottles we are going to reuse. Grandpa, we have converted some of the bottles into pots for plants. We also made pencil holders and some decorative pieces out of some of the bottles. Now, let us get the rest of the bottles to the recycling plant.
Thank you.
What will happen to these plastic bottles here?
They will be broken down and processed and used to make other things like bags, frames and many other things.
There is one last step to the problem-solving technique. What's that? Evaluate. We need to see if the plan worked. Let us see. We got rid of all the plastic bottles like Grandpa wanted. We made sure no money was spent. And it hardly took any effort.
So yes, the plan was a success.
Tamara, Let's look around for more things that we can reuse or recycle. Sounds like fun. Hey, look, Kashyap. I found a few empty cans. I'm sure we can recycle them.
What do you think Tamara and Kashyap can do with the empty tin cans?
I have an idea. We can decorate these cans and use them as pen stands. Hey, that is a good idea. I have another idea, Kashyap. We can paint these empty cans, glue them and use them as storage space for nails, buttons, pencils, etc.
You know, children, we also have stopped throwing away waste all the time. We recycle now too.
Really? What do you recycle, Grandpa?
Your grandma keeps the vegetable and fruit leftovers aside every day. This is fed to the farm cows. They love it.
Cool.
Children, can you come up with some ideas to reuse these old newspapers?
Put on your thinking caps again to help Tamara and Kashyap come up with ideas to reuse old newspapers and clothes.
We can make shopping bags with the old newspapers. Good idea. We can also use newspaper to wrap up gift items.
Let us now see all the things that Kashyap and Tamara made. Pen stands made out of used cans. Storage space made out of cans. Paper bags made using newspapers. Tamara's return gifts. Just like how Kashyap and Tamara recycled and reused so many items, you can do the same with things in your house. When you get home today, try and think of innovative ways to use the old things in your home. That way, you are doing your bit to save the environment. Goodbye.